Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Nisha in grade 8 from Lizzie, Wanyoike'S Preparatory and Senior School. I wish to make a tribute to Madam Lizzie Wanyoike, the fallen heroine. Madam Lizzie, we are broken that you have gone to a journey of no return. You never said you were leaving, nor did you tell us goodbye. We received the news on that grey Sunday and wished that it was a nightmare we would eventually wake up from. But no, it's a new phase, era, and time to look back at the memories we all had. Your love has given life to others, Madam Lizzie, we children being among them. We remember how you visited us in class just to say hi and check on us. You would then casually ask, "Are you happy?" And we would say a resounding yes. You would then smile at us, wave and say hi to your parents and tell them I love them. Madam Lizzie, even in your death, just know the whole world is hurting. Not because you have gone to be with the Lord, but because we have been robbed of a gem, a very special, precious stone that we dearly treasured. As your children, we have one message for you. Rest assured that we are the future Lizzie Modhoni Wanyoike. We will continue lighting up the world with the candle you passed to us. You will be proud of us in heaven. I may not tell the whole world everything about you for now, but what everyone knows is that for sure, God has plucked the best flower from his garden. You are in a better place, Madam Lizzie. We will live to reminisce your passion, dedication, and contribution towards life. May you rest in perfect peace, our heroine. Till we meet again, thank you.
Thank you, Stephanie.